One other thing that I did was a tiny bit decorative. Could you do me a favor? Could you stand up and turn on the lights up there?
What lights?
The mason jars. So, even though I know, I posted the paper flowers. Okay. Yeah, you can hardly notice them. Even though, I posted the paper flower tutorial as Valentine's Day decor, and I did create them as Valentine's Day decor, the way that I demonstrated it. But I did make them for the shower, so that's why they're up there. They're going with the stuff that's going to Texas. But one of the things that I did, now I can actually point, like, with some logical sense. One of the things that I did was I added the mason jar, more jars. What I did was I added, I brought in the jar from the kitchen. This jar here, this one with the red top, has all the baker's twine like you get from the Dollar Tree. And then I picked up one at Target. And then I added the other one over there. It's got like, I'll show you actually. Come with me. Oh, snap, crackle, pop. Sorry, guys. So this is like all of the baker's twine and stuff. And then over here, I just have like little bits of trim and little pieces of ribbon, like scraps ribbon. I thought it looked really cute. And then my mason jar lights. So I made these for the wedding, before the wedding. The tutorial, I can link it in the description box down below. And I made them with jute and burlap. But Lisa wanted those. And those were a Dollar Tree set of fairy lights that only had 10 on them. So that only was 5 mason jars. Well, these were from Eden, from her wedding. This has more. It actually has like, I think 30 lights. So each jar has 2 twinkle lights in it and then one between. And I tied on this lace little ribbon for Valentine's Day. I was gonna create, I had it in one of my videos where I showed you how to decorate them for autumn. So for Valentine's Day, I was gonna do those little felt, like these things, these little felt. But I can't find the magnet. I don't think I have any more.
What's that? Magnets?
What?
Any more magnets?
Well, yes, magnets, but actually what I was using was the magnet, like, the refrigerator magnets that we put on the dishwasher. Oh, that sounds silly, right?
Yeah.
So the package that they come in has all that extra magnet around it. I was recycling that.
Oh.
I don't think I have any more of that.
No, I don't think we have any more.
Do you know what I do have? I do have these.
Oh, you remember that roll?
That's just too big for that project.
That thin roll, the strip magnet where one side is the magnet, the other side is like tape?
Mm-hmm.
You think you can buy one of those and just trim it?
Yeah, I could, and then they sell little magnets too. Even I just don't have any. Is what I was saying.
Well, I was thinking if you get the roll, you'd have the extra left over for future projects.
That's true. I did have some of that from Mom.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to it all.
It might be in the miscellaneous box.
Might be.
Could you put this back in the drawing with the drawing pads?
I don't know. Can I?
I don't know. Can you?
Think I'm capable?
I don't know. You weren't capable of finding it, so I'm just assuming.
That's true. See, there you go. There's your first mistake. You assumed something.
So I wanted to share this with you. If my sisters are watching, look, I still have the pencil sharpener.
Old school.
Yeah. My dad had mounted this under a shelf in my dining room so that we could sharpen our pencils because there was 1,000 kids in his house. I am really back and forth about what I want to do with it. Like, up there on the top of the black cabinet right now, I have like an old school reception bell. So I kind of like the nostalgia old metal looking, up there. You see it?
Oh, yeah, that one.
You guys see that? I don't even know if you saw that. I don't even know if you could see that. So I was thinking like, well, I'll keep it. Where am I going to put it? But right now I just want to like put it on display. I should put it up with Pop's memorial stuff. So it's just like weird little things. Like I found these on clearance for $2.50 at Walmart. Gosh, who was getting married when I got them? I don't know that anybody was getting married. But what it is it's 50 tiny gift bags. So I was like, well, yeah, 50 tiny gift bags for any occasions, party favors. So I've got 50 tiny gift bags if I want to do a craft with 50 tiny gift bags. So for $2.50, I was like, oh, okay, this is when I had money. I used to just buy stuff because you never know. These organizational nameplates, just like random things that, what do you do with all the random stuff? You know, I do have a miscellaneous craft box. I'm going to go through that next, but I'm not going to show you guys that because that's boring. And I think that is it. We still haven't got to IKEA. Tomorrow, I think we're going to build the TV stand, which is, we found some perfect sized scrap wood, and it's going to go around the Xbox and the Blu-ray player, and TV will sit on there because right now there's this precarious situation. So there's the Xbox, and the reason I'm using the Xbox is it has like the YouTube on it and stuff. I don't have, that's not a smart TV. So the Xbox has YouTube. The Blu-ray player has a YouTube as well. The Xbox has, well, obviously it's for gaming too, right? And then the Blu-ray player does Blu-rays. The Xbox only does DVDs. It doesn't do Blu-rays. So that's one of those like Dollar Tree TV stand thingies. Not TV stands, but like racks. And then the TV is, I've got these boards on there because the TV wasn't quite, I don't know. We rigged it. We rigged it. That's all I can tell you. And we're going to build a TV stand that goes over it now. I built a sort of really homemade looking country crate. Emmy wanted a wood one to hold like the quart-sized mason jars. She has wide mouth ones left over from the wedding that she wants to put like 3 of them to hold her utensils. So I made that. I made the soap pump dispenser things that go in those wide I made the soap pump dispenser things that go in those wide mason jars for her. And I'm just trying to wrap it all up. I have to finish this because I have to make the shower gifts. And that's what my next big project is going to be. After I recover this chair, which I think we're doing tomorrow.
Hopefully.
Okay. Then I have to work on the shower gifts and make more flowers for the picture frame. And I think that's it. Anything you'd like to say? Anything you'd like to say?
No. I can't think of anything.
Let's show them the pillow we got on clearance.
My pillow!
We were in Walmart. And mine. The people will think it's funny. Everybody will think it's funny. I'll show the family. Let me see. So I found this beautiful pillow, and under it, actually I saw the yellow sign that said clearance, and then it was this pillow, and I was like, oh. So I grabbed it off the shelf, and I turned it around so Jim wouldn't see what it was, and it's this picture on the other side. So,
thwarted.
Wah, wah. So we got that for in here for when we get everything else done. So I bragged the other day about the couch being cleared off. Well, that didn't last very long. And I knew it wasn't going to. I'm still in the organizing process. So I'm using the couch as like a secondary table. The last box that I have to go through is the miscellaneous craft box. And the last thing that I have to do besides that is I have to test all of my like fabric paints. Remember puffy paints? This paint right here is probably older than some of you. Just saying. I got this glass paint. It's the kind you bake. Oh, I don't know. How about fabric markers from the 90s? How about fabric markers from the 90s? The fabric brush marker. We used to paint on clothes and stuff back in the day. So, that's all she wrote. So, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Somebody asked me about the commercials. And I'm not supposed to talk about the commercials the last time I read something about them. But one of the things that I noticed that I haven't been demonetized or reduced monetization in about a week and a half now, which is great. However, my revenue is dropping. Can't figure it out. And I hope that they don't do anything that's so drastically different that I have to stop doing this. Because I really do enjoy it. And I would miss you guys, but I would just have to do different stuff, I think, because just less that costs money, I guess. Well, we'll see. Mm-hmm. We will see. Oh, I wanted to share good news with you. So I told you guys that some of my favorite YouTubers are Cheap Crafty Girl. That's Marie from Cheap Crafty Girl. And Remington, which is R-Y-M... Wait a minute. R-Y-M-I-N-G-T-H-N. I don't know why all of a sudden I just forgot how to spell her name. Remington. Yeah. Cheap Crafty Girl just hit 100,000 subscribers, which means she's going to get her silver button. And Remington is so close. She's like less than 100 subscribers. Actually, by the time I'm posting this, she might have already reached it. So excited for them. Like, I'm so excited for them. When I first started watching them, they were nowhere near close. And not that I feel like I have anything to do with it, please. Any stretch of the imagination. If you guys have all gone to visit them, that's fantastic. But I'm not, They just took off the last year. So, very exciting. Very exciting. And I'm just so happy for them, For those of you who are new to YouTube, at 100,000 subscribers, YouTube gives you what they call a silver button. So it's a plaque. And it's actually sort of like a shadow box, sort of memory box. So it's like a frame with a glass, and inside the glass is a silver button. That's what you get when you hit 100,000 subscribers. And then when you hit 1 million subscribers, I believe you get a platinum button. And when you hit 10 million subscribers, you get a diamond button. What? Which is just the silver button and the little, it looks like the YouTube icon. Basically, it's the, like the rectangle with the triangle in the middle. The diamond button is the triangle is a diamond, which is really neat. So, just these little goals. Like, we do it for whatever reasons YouTubers do their YouTube channels. These little goals that YouTube gives you is just like incentives, Just be like, hey, look, I made a milestone, and it's just a lot of fun. And I get to see the family grow, which is great. I meet new people every day in the comments. Some who said they've been watching forever, but this was their first time commenting. And some who are new entirely and just come across. So it's kind of fun. Hi, all y'all. Anything you want to add before we go? I'm going to edit the heck out of this thing because, boy, I'm just like, I've ended it like 4 times and I just keep talking. Now after we're done here. Yeah. Okay, sorry. It's confusing.
Because technically it's Monday, and you said tomorrow, which would have been Tuesday.
Right, I know, which is why I was confused myself.
You're just too confused.
So, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Me and Jim just chatting along and showing you a little bit of changes that we made in here. And, you know what I think I'll do is I'll try to insert the picture of the before and after of the wrapping paper debacle.
Wrapping paper debacle.
Because I got the new garment bag because the old one was falling apart.
Yeah.
I'll probably just
Well, it
insert
doesn't help when the person you ask to put it away is a little rough with it.
Well, I also bought cheap ones. Like, I bought a few cheap ones from the Dollar Tree and just kept changing it every time I ripped. And poor man pays twice. But the cheapest one from Walmart was like $3. And I don't know how long that's going to last. But we'll try. We'll see. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And boy, I'm sure you will have questions. If you guys remember paint pens and got some good paint pen stories, let me know. And if you haven't yet, click subscribe. And when you do, a little bell will pop up. When you ring that bell, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. That's it.
Y'all.
As always, take care. God bless. See you next time.
Bye.
What'd you say?
That's
That's it. Oh, gosh. Helps that it's midnight, right? Okay, listen to Wacko. Do you see that board? That's the board I was actually supposed to make this thing out of. But these are the boards from Aunt Sue, so I was trying to...
No, you still recording, right?
But... What were we going to say? What was I going to say?
I don't know.
Gotta clean that. Gotta clean that.
Yeah.
Just glad it didn't get on the table.
Well, you're gonna eventually end up getting something on that table.
I have been, but I've been cleaning it off as I go. So I got white paint on it the other day. I put the mat down and got white paint outside the mat. Just happened that way.
Mm-hmm. I knew you were not coloring inside the lines type person.
I am definitely a not color inside the line kind of person. That's it.
I guess.
Okay. Say hi to the people.
Huh?
Did you say hi to the people?
Hi to the people.
That's a Fry Life throwback. Oh, I went.